In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money with Remitbee. If you use my referral link in the description of this video, you'll receive $20 on your first transfer. So once you have downloaded and registered the app, once you're in the app, you're going to hit the send button, then select send money. Now because I've used the app to transfer money already, it's asking me to select a recipient. However, in your case, you'll be adding the recipient information. So you're going to select the country that you want to transfer to. Let's say the United States, then select continue. Depending on where you're transferring money to, the receiving method will vary. So for example, in this option, it's only bank account that is available. So here, I'm going to select continue. Then you're going to provide the recipient's first and last name and then select continue. Provide the recipient's contact number and then select continue. Then here you're going to provide the recipient's address. Then once you're done, select continue. Then here's where you're going to provide the recipient's banking information and then select continue. Then here you're going to specify how much money you want to send. Then select done. Then select continue. Choose a purpose for the transfer. Then select continue. Now here you have 3 payment options. You can pay with your debit card, a direct withdrawal, or e-transfer. So I'll be going with the e-transfer method. Note if you're sending with e-transfer, these are the steps. You're going to log into your online banking account and send new Interact e-transfer. Ensure the recipient name is Remitbee. The recipient email address is auto@remitbee. Now most importantly for a message, you're going to ensure that you're using the email address that you used to sign up for Remitbee. Then select continue. So I have some rewards, so I'm going to apply it. So here I'm going to apply some rewards. So I can only apply up to a maximum of $42.99. Here I'm just going to select apply. Then the total amount I'll need to send through e-transfer is $10. Then here I'm just going to hit confirm and send. I understand. And then what I need to do to complete this transfer is log into my bank account and send the e-transfer, which I'll be doing now. So here I'm going to select move money. Then what I want to do is send an Interact e-transfer. Send an Interact e-transfer. Choose the account, then the amount that you need to send. And then you're going to select the recipient. So in my case, Remitbee is already added. And for the message, this is important. You're going to provide the email address that you're using with your Remitbee account. Once you're done, select continue, then select send. And this will be deposited to my US bank account, which I specified earlier in the app. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.